welcome to Meds Dispensing. We dispense Sunday through Saturday, so I have all my containers Sunday through Saturday, AM in the front, PM in the back, and then I have my first round of meds cups, which is for FOMO. I have it Sunday through Saturday, AM in the front, PM in the back. I have the meds cabinet open because I will be getting in all the meds out of here. It's always behind a locked cabinet and a locked door when not being used. And then I always keep all the cat's meds charts up for reference and meds inventory. And then I can get started.